getting this old 240D ready for its long cross-country road trip, I found there's a lot of issues inside these doors. So what I decided to do today is just take all 4 door panels off and start going through each door. Take a look at that one on the left side, the rear door, and the check strap is about ready to seize up. The front door is no better. You know, the check straps aren't working. It looks like the window switches are shot. 3 of the 4 power windows aren't working. So it's time to take these panels off. Let me show you this front one here. You know, I pulled that off and the plastic liner was all shot, and you've got a broken door pull here. But this door has a good check strap, 1 out of the 4 right there. So at least I've got 1 check strap that's working. I want to get these door panels off. You can see this check strap isn't holding anything. And if you saw earlier, you know, the power window switches, the door locks are locking on their own. I didn't want this to happen during the video, but I'll run around the other side. Squeak! Ah! Come on, open up. No, don't close. It's going to lock again. So you can see I've got some issues here. I've got to get the door locks working. I've got to get all the power windows working. Got to make sure that all the door checks and the door pulls are right. And there's going to have to be lubricated. I'm going to have to make all new liners. These aren't even worth saving for a pattern. They're so bad. I'm going to clean out the bottoms of the doors here. Make sure there's no rust down there. I'll coat that with Miracle Paint, and we're going to get out the vacuum tester next. We're going to test each one of those vacuum door lock actuators, and I'm going to get my power probe and try to run each power window up and down. I need to first determine whether the motors are even running and whether the power windows will even go up and down. So in the next video, I'm going to show you what I did, and I'm going to show you what I had to fix, and we'll try to get all these doors working like new again. Let's see if it locked itself again. No, okay. You never know. You don't want these doors locking on themselves. So stay tuned for the next video in this series.